Welcome to Tuesday, August 6th. You're listening to the Day Weather Podcast. Today's weather will be just like yesterday's weather. Tomorrow's weather will be somewhat similar to today, so on and so forth, as we see the pattern stagnant as it usually is in early August. We're just basically in the summer doldrums where the weather repeats itself. This doesn't last for long. Once we get to the second half of August into early September, we start to see the seasons wanting to change out here in the West. But at least here for another couple of weeks, we're just going to repeat the weather with the only real difference day in and day out being slight variations in temperatures and variations in the amount of thunderstorm activity. Yesterday, like what we had over the weekend, afternoon thunderstorms popped up here and there. Some of you got wet. Some of you saw your neighbors get wet and you didn't. It'll be that kind of pattern again today, just widely scattered to isolated thunderstorms, most numerous in western South Dakota and western Nebraska and northeastern Colorado. Now, tomorrow and into Thursday and Friday, we will hit a 3-day stretch, and we might throw Saturday in where there will be an increase in thunderstorm activity. It doesn't mean everyone gets rain, but it does mean more thunderstorms will be around Wednesday through Saturday. The additional moisture and cloudiness will also mean it will be slightly cooler, which means our temperatures are going to, again, be hovering very close to average. Late July, the first 2 weeks of August, traditionally is the hottest time of the year in the Western High Plains and Rockies. So it's going to be warm. That means 80s and lower 90s, but no one's going to be breaking records, no extreme heat. In fact, Thursday and Friday in many areas, temperatures might be just a little bit below average, but just by a little bit. Do expect an uptick in thunderstorm activity Wednesday through Friday and Saturday. Thunderstorms ease up a bit Sunday and Monday. If you're headed up to Sturgis for the motorcycle rally, there's always a better chance in early August that Black Hills region will have more in the way of thunderstorm activity. It always does, usually, and this year is no exception. The biggest risk with thunderstorms over the coming days will be heavy rain, strong gusty winds, and some hail. There'll be slow-moving thunderstorms as the winds aloft, high above us, are still very weak as that jet stream is still parked up into Canada like it normally is in August. Thanks for listening to the Day Weather Podcast. We'll talk to you on Wednesday.